Use polite expressions to give advice. Are you willing to? Would you be willing to? Would you at least give me time to suggest some ways to manage your condition? I will outline some things you can do. You could consider. Another option is, to begin with, I would suggest. I would like to start by suggesting. Have you thought about? What I would like you to do is ensure compliance with medication, healthy diet, eat more fruits and vegetables. Why not? Try healthier alternatives. Let's consider some ways by which you can incorporate healthier changes in your life. Would you like to try and quit smoking? There are medications and support groups available for people who want to quit smoking. If you like, I can get you some information about it. I'd like you to focus on what we can do now to improve your health. Have considered giving up smoking? I'd like to talk with you about your diet. Exercise will benefit in maintaining good health. I know it might be a little difficult at first, but it will have a profound impact on your health in the long run. I think you could start by walking 15 minutes every alternate day and gradually increase the duration. Some useful expressions that can demonstrate sensitivity and empathy during your consultation are, I can see that must have been hard for you. Can you bear to tell me just how you have been feeling? Thank you for telling me how you have been feeling. I appreciate you telling me this. It helps me in understanding the situation much better. I think I understand now a little of what you have been feeling. Let's look at the practical things that we can do together. I can see that this has been very difficult for you to cope with. I can appreciate how difficult it is for you to talk about this. Here, appreciate means to understand. I can sense how angry you have been feeling about your illness. I can see that you are quite upset. I can understand it must be frightening for you to know the pain might keep coming back. That must have been past, or must be present, very difficult / tiring / frightening / painful / emotionally draining. I know how you must be feeling. I am sorry to hear that. It's a pity to hear that. I can perfectly understand how difficult that must for you to cope with. It can be quite distressing, but there are ways to help manage it. I can appreciate that it's difficult to follow these instructions, or I can appreciate that it's difficult to make these changes in your lifestyle. However, it is imperative that you do this to ensure good general health or to ensure a complete recovery. I have noticed that you seem a little uncomfortable with this suggestion. Having said that, this would be very beneficial for you. This would improve your health. I can understand why you feel that way, and it can be overwhelming. I am sorry to hear that.